Let's open database. Here we have saved database in computer. Inside D drive, here we have a database, Office database. The Office database is being opened. Here we have some tables and queries. Now, let's create a form. Click on Create menu tab. Click on Form option. Now, automatically the tables data are appeared in table or in form. Form is the front end. Here you can see Edit tab. You can use this next button to view the records. See, from address table, here you can see Hari Das, roll number 1, class 5, table number and address. Similarly, if you want to display the records of this item table, just double click on it. Go to Create menu tab, click on Form option. Now automatically the item table data are appear in item table form. You can also use next button to view the records or previous buttons. Here you can see new blank record. You can click here to insert new record in the table. New blank record. Here insert the item ID. For example, 100. Now item name like printer. Now race like 6000. You can use tab key to move on the next text box. Here quantity 86. Okay. Now again click on new record, new blank record. Okay. Here we have item table. Now let's display this item table data in form. You can enter records from this table directly. For example, 109. Like item name like mousepad, race 250, quantity 5. Okay, like this we can enter the records in table from here, or we can also transmit data from table to form or form to table. Now let's display this data in form. Go to select the table, for example item table. Now go to Create menu tab, click on Form option. See, the table data, item table data are being displayed in item table form. You can use next button to view the records. See, 101, ID number 103, 104, 105, like this we can display the records. Or you can click on Previous record option to view the records of previous. See, or you can come on the first record, or you can come on the last record. Here we have the records up to 109 item ID. Now if you want to insert new record, you can click on new blank record option. Now click on View option. Now it is the form view. Here we can insert the new records. For example, ID number 110. Now you can use tab key to move on the next text box. Now in item name, let's insert motherboard. Now rate is 4000, quantity 5 pieces. Now let's save this form. Name the form like item table form. Click on OK. Now the newly inserted 110 item ID, item name motherboard, rate 4000, quantity 5 has been stored in this item table. Just double click on it to open and view the records. Just double click on it on item table. The item ID is 110, motherboard, rate 4000. It is and quantity 5, and this record was inserted in form, and that has been stored in table. Similarly, just select the item table again, go to Create option, click on Form. Now again go to View menu tab. Now click on New blank record. Now insert like 111. Now next item like CPU, race 5,000. Now quantity 5 pieces. Let's see the data, whether the data has been stored in table or not. I'll just double click on this item table. Here you can see the newly inserted data from form and the data that we have stored from form to table. Like this we can display records of form, or we can display record of table in form, and we can insert data from form to table. It gives the basic concept about software accessing in our daily life, in our office, in our departmental store, or anywhere in bank. The similar system has been used. Okay, now let's display this record in report. Go to create menu tab. Now choose the required table or query which you want to display in report. For example, I have selected item table. Now I want to display this item table in report. Now click on create option. Click on report option on report group. See, the item table data has been displayed in report view. This is report that you can print. You can also edit the title. For example, here you can see item table. Now just double click on it. Now you can type the title. For example, new node computer center. Okay, this is the title. Or you can also add more title. You can add another label also. For example, just drag on the workspace. You can type like cash bill. Okay, so this is just a normal report. Here you can see the grand total of rate also, and you can click on this view option to view the report in the real report view. Now if you want to print this report, you can click on home menu tab. Here you can click on this format menu tab to format the font. For example, I want to display this in red color. Okay, I want to display this title on bold and text color is blue. Okay, and this cash bill I want to display in yellow color, and I want to fill it with any color. See, like this you can format the report. Fill this heading with any other color. See, the title background color has been changed. Like this you can change the color also. We can format the background. We can set any image as background of report. For example, now click on browse. Click on background image. Click on browse. Now choose any one, logo or any other picture. For example, inside E drive, here I have logos. I will insert this logo as the background of report. See, the logo has been appeared on the background of report. Now click on page setup option to set up page. You can set size of report. For example, A4 size, or you can click on letter size. Which size do you want to print? Margin. Click on margin to set margin. Click on custom margin. Now you can choose any other page layout. For example, landscape. If you want to display the record in the landscape form, or portrait, or if you want to display the records vertically, you can choose portrait style. So you can display the record vertically. Let's choose landscape. You can also page setup from here. You can say page, like home page you can say portrait or landscape style, or you can choose the size of paper. For example, A4 size. Generally we use that for printing and for photocopy. Now click on OK. Now the our page setup is ready. Now display this report in print layout view. Just right click on it, click on print preview. Let's view the print preview. This is the print preview, and this will be exactly printed through the printer. Now click on print option to print. Now choose the specify the print range. For example, I want to print all. Now specify the number of copies. Now I want to print 2 copies. Choose the printer. Okay. The print report is being printed. Like this, we can print the report. Just close the print preview. Now we can also use query to calculation. For example, let's go to create query design option. Now add any table that you want to insert. For example, mark sheet first annual exam grade 10. Click on add, click on close. Now add the required field: maths, Nepali, English, science, SPE, optional maths, computer, total, and percentage. Here, just save this query with the name result sheet of grade 10. Click on OK. Now you can see it is a sheet of grade 10. It is the name of this query. And when you run this query, it is select query. By default, you can see the selected, select. Now click on to run. Here we have selected roll number, name of student, address, maths, Nepali, English, science, SPE, optional maths, computer, total, and percentage. So it is the use of select query. Here we have selected these names and marks of 10 and total and percentage. Now let's go to design query design view again. Just right click on this query, click on design view. Now let's calculate total. We can use the select query for calculation also. Now in Excel we can use equal to sign, but here in Access we can use colon. Now inside the square bracket, specify the subject's name. For example, here you can see subjects like maths, close with square bracket, plus. Now inside square bracket, science, SPE, plus. Let's view more subjects like OPT maths, inside square, plus computer. Just close the square bracket. Now press enter. Now let's click on run option to view the total. See, the total marks has been calculated of all subjects the students marks obtained in different subjects. See, you can see total. Let's go to design view. Now here, if you want to sort the name of the students on the basis of name, just come to the name. Now here you can see sort. Click on this down arrow, click on ascending order. Now click on run. See, the records have been sorted in ascending order, like first A, then B, B, K, P. Okay, here that is in ascending order. Similarly, here you can see 7 subjects. Now to calculate percentage, we need to divide marks obtained by 700 into 100. Now press it, divide 700 into 100. Now press enter. Now let's run this query. See, the marks percentage percentage has been displayed, and this is total and this is percentage. Like this also we can calculate in query. Now let's display this result sheet of grade X in form. Go to create menu tab, click on form option. Now save this form. Now here we have selected mark sheet, result sheet of grade X. See? Now you can use next button to view next record, or previous button to view previous record of the students, or you can also click on this new blank record option to view or insert new record. Click on view option. Now it is the form front end view. You can enter more records. For example, roll number 12, name of the students is Siva Thapa, address is Bhutua, marks obtained in math 78. You can use tab key to go to the next. 77, 55, 66, 58, computer 99. See, automatically here you can see total and percentage. Again you can click on this new blank record to insert next record. Like this we can use form to insert record in table and or in query. Now let's display this result sheet of grade X query data in report. Click on create menu tab, click on report option. See, automatically the query result sheet of grade X has been displayed in report. See, along with the percentage you can see the records. Now if you want to change the title, okay, you can just click on design menu tab. Here you can change the title. You can use this label to a, for example, or you can name it as different, like Mount Valley Secondary School, Kathmandu. Okay, 2071. Okay. Report. Click on print preview. Now you can click on print option to print. Specify the number of copies. Suppose 2 copies. Now you can also specify, choose the printer. Click on OK to print. Now the document is printing. Report is printing. Like this we can print the report. The report is ready. Let's calculate more records. For example, here we have item table. Now let's calculate total of this item table data. Go to create menu tab, click on query design option, add item table, click on close. Here we are using select query to calculate rate and quantity. So inside square bracket specify the title RATE rate. एक्सेल मा चाहिँ हामी सेल रेट प्रयोग गर्थ्यौं भने यहाँ चाहिँ हामी इक्वल टु साइनको सट्टा कोलन र सेल रेट्सको सट्टा हामी यहाँ त्यही टेबलको टाइटल लाई स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट भित्र स्पेसिफाई गर्छौं इन्टु or multiplication sign or asterisk. Now again inside square bracket quantity, close the quantity, press enter. Now we are using select query here. Now click on run option. See, the total has been calculated. Now if you want to display this record in form, go to create menu tab, click on form, click on yes to save, name the query, for example sales, click on OK. Now the sales query has been automatically displayed in form. See, now you can go to the next record or previous record, or you can insert new record. Click on view. Now in this view, click on insert the required record. For example, 115, item name like printer, rate is 8,000, quantity 4. See, automatically total is 32,000. Like this, automatically you can calculate. And this record has been stored in sales query table also. Now, if you want to display this sales table data in report, go to create menu tab, click on report option. See, the sales table data has been displayed in report. You can click on this, right click on this sales report option, click on design view or print preview. Now this is the print preview that will be exactly printed through the printer. Now you can click on print option to print. Specify, choose the printer. Specify the print rates. For example, I want to print all printing pages. Now specify the number of copies. For example, 2 copies I want to print. Click on OK. Now the report is being printed. Like this you can print the report. Like this you can work with different objects on Microsoft Access. Now just save this report. Click on Save option on Quick Access toolbar. Now name this report. For example, Sales Report of January 1, 2015. Click on OK. See, the report name has been displayed here. Now just close the report print preview.